It is night, the night of time, and from the depths of the ages, voices rise up to meet you.
O Nile, father of life, all hail to you. When your waters rise and your bounty overwhelms us,
the earth trembles with ecstasy. Life is reborn. All is nurtured.
But when you subside, the very gods despair.
And men become slighter than their shadows.
O Nile, restore joy to men's hearts. O Nile, axis of all Egypt, rise and let your voice be heard.
We hail you, Harpy, when you come forth from your cavern.
Empty the 2 great water jugs you carry in your hands. Give us the gift of yourself.
Come to our aid, you who are the source of all life.
The seeds are withering away.
Children cry with hunger, and old men's hearts are heavy.
We implore you. Look, they are already preparing the sacrifice in the temple.
I see them.
O Nile, raise your voice, let it thunder forth.
I have heard your prayers. Very soon I shall leave my bed, and your granaries will once more be swollen with wheat. But I cannot shower my blessings on you until the sign is given.
What sign?
This is the last night of the year, and I must wait until Sophis, the dog star, appears in the east before I can grant your wishes. For 70 days it has not appeared, but when dawn comes, it will call me. The sun will slowly begin to rise, and I will overflow my banks and leave my bed. So it was, every year for thousands and thousands of years.
Every year? Except when your waters dry up, or even disappear. Then there is famine, and the gods must listen to men's lamentations and undo the harm the drought your absence brings them.
That time is past. Now things have changed.
Changed?
Who is this that speaks to me in the night?
Some know me as Juno, others as Bellona, still others as the Virgin.
And the Egyptians?
Their ancient wisdom has taught them my real name. And you too will learn it when you hear my gold-bangled priestesses chanting the words engraved on the trees of my sanctuary.
Mistress of Nubia, Queen of Upper and Lower Egypt.
You have revealed the power of woman.
You are the light in men's hearts, ruling over fire, wind, and lightning.
Your power is equal to that of men.
From the Egyptian Nile to the great Ganges in India, as far even as Lutetia.
Now I know you. You are Isis, the Venerable.
Yes, I am Isis. I'm the unhappy goddess, for I can no longer find my temple in this chaos of rock. It has disappeared, swallowed up by your waters.
You are mistaken, Isis. Look, here. If you gaze through the 9th arch of the colonnade, you may once again see the island of Semlin, which modern men call Bige, that rocky isle which first received the bounty of my waters.
Here lies the tomb of Osiris.
Osiris, your husband and brother. This island where you came at 10-day intervals.
Yes. Abaddon, the hidden place, the sacred place where I came to pour out libations of milk to give my husband eternal youth.
Yes, Semnon is still there. Look, Isis, nothing has changed.
But where is my temple? Have your swirling waters carried it off forever?
No, it has been saved. Look. You, who are the goddess of this place, you will see and hear once again what humans may only imagine. You can read the scrolls in the magnificent library, and when you enter the temple courtyard, you will see once again on the left the same side as your heart, the peristyle of Mamizi, that happy place where you gave birth to your son, Horus. Horus, with his finger always in his mouth.
Yes, I remember.
Now men will always remember. Look and listen. First comes the watchman, the high priest of the constellations, climbing to his post atop the monumental gateway.
I have counted the night hours, and now the stars grow pale. The night loses its strength. Lamps are lit, and the temple comes to life again. Let the goddess's repast be carried to her.
What are you looking at, Isis?
Those faces smashed. Who has dared?
The Christians too came to Philae, and blinded by their new faith. But now the sun has risen. We will enter the temple. You see, Isis, nothing has changed. Look.
Yes, I see. Behind the gateways, I see the slow procession forming. My priests robed in linen, my musicians in their long robes. Those bearing the offerings put on their loincloths and raise aloft perfumes, flowers, desert gazelles.
On the other side of this door, the legend of Isis and Osiris will begin, as it was engraved on these high walls, as it is repeated without end. Let us watch.
Generations move onwards and succeed each other. The ancestors vanish into immortality, and the procession continues without pause, as it has for thousands of years. No one comes back from death's bourne to tell us what is there. Oh, tell us what the dead lack, and our hearts will be at peace until we ourselves die and join them there. What does our stay on earth signify? It is the space of a dream, the time of a dream, yea, of a dream.